Deficiency of calcium in plants is very common and shows its effects in the form of several problems. In this video, we will talk about calcium deficiency in pepper plants, how you can identify this problem, and what are the options to cure this thing. Calcium deficiency is not only an effect of a poor quality fertilizer, some of its other causes are also added in this video, so keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Calcium deficiency in pepper plant is simply the shortage of calcium element in the plant body. It happens due to several reasons that can affect the pepper plants in 4 to 5 different ways. You can identify this problem with these signs and solve them. The most common effect of calcium deficiency in pepper plants are the black spots of leaves. Pepper plants shows black patches on their leaves when they are facing calcium deficiency. It's a natural thing. Deficiency of calcium comes up on a plant in the form of black patches. Another effect is the curling of leaves, especially pepper leaves curls very commonly that can be a sign of calcium deficiency. But you should also know about some other reasons of pepper leaf curl problem. A detailed video is added in the description box. But if the younger leaves of your pepper plants are curling, that means the plant is facing the deficiency of calcium, and you should treat this thing timely. There is a common disease in pepper and tomato plants, in which the lower side of the fruit turns blackish and rotted. That is also due to calcium shortage. The blossom end rot problem is a visible effect of calcium deficiency. Another common effect of calcium deficiency in pepper plants is the stunted and very slow growth. Commonly peppers grow well, but an affected plant will show you a very slow growth, with small size leaves. It is also due to calcium deficiency and can be cured very easily if we know why is it happening in our peppers. A common cause of calcium deficiency in peppers is your soil pH. When the soil's pH rises, the plant absorbs nutrients very inefficiently and shows us the signs of calcium deficiency. To cure this problem, you can make your soil mix a little acidic by using ingredients like compost or tea waste. An acidic soil mix is very important for vegetable plants and must be maintained time to time. Just take some compost and add in the soil mix of pepper plants. Using compost on pepper seedlings not only makes up the pH level, but also provide us number of benefits that I have described in a detailed video linked in the description. Another big reason of calcium shortage in peppers is because of your fertilizer that does not have enough calcium in it to provide to your pepper plants. This thing causes calcium deficiency in the soil and in the plant body as well. So to treat this thing, you should use a nutrients-enriched fertilizer. As pepper plants likes a good amount of nutrition, that's why an ideal fertilizer is added in the description box to buy. Otherwise you can also make a powerful fertilizer for your vegetables at home. A detailed video is linked in the description box. Circulation of air around your plants is also very important, otherwise it again show us curling pepper leaves and other problems. It happen when you grow so many seeds in a small pot, or when your pepper plants are placed between a group of plants. So you should place your pepper pots in a bright and open space. Pepper plants likes a cool area, like winter vegetables, and should be given a cool and open area to grow them bigger. A list of other easy to grow winter vegetables is added in the description box, must check it out. Now let's discuss about some of the organic sources of calcium that you can use to prevent calcium deficiency in your pepper plants. Wood ash powder is the good source of calcium as well as potassium, and can be used in peppers. Bone meal fertilizer also have a good amount of organic calcium in it that you can use every month to keep the plant well growing. Egg shells also contains a good combination of calcium with other trace elements like magnesium that prevents yellowing leaves. So you can use that as well. So it's all about calcium deficiency. For any question leave a comment below. And check out this video here to grow pepper seeds at home with a very good germination rate.